Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bloom dress in Club of Magic. To start your quest for this stunning outfit, you'll first need to enter the magical Ulfia College. Once inside, take a moment to orient yourself and find the prominent main staircase. This initial step is crucial for setting the stage for your discovery, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on to the next exciting part of your adventure. Now that you're inside Ulfia, your next task is to find a very special, hidden chest. Walk directly to the left of the grand staircase you just located. This area often holds secrets, so keep your eyes peeled. The chest is cleverly concealed, waiting for a keen fairy like you to discover it. Finding this chest is a key part of unlocking the Bloom dress, so take your time and explore thoroughly. Once you've successfully found the hidden chest, you'll need to interact with it. Simply press the button that appears to open it. After opening the chest, a vital step is to completely leave the game. Then, rejoin the game server. This action refreshes your game data and prepares it for the new item, making sure the system registers your progress correctly for the dress. Welcome back to the game. Now for the final, exciting steps. After rejoining, navigate to the character selection menu and choose the Blooming Characters option. In the provided input field, carefully type the word dress. Once entered, your brand new, beautiful Bloom dress will magically appear and be ready for you to equip and enjoy. Congratulations on getting your fabulous new outfit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.